Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making a version of chicken coq au vin, very similar to that, but we're doing it with a white sauce. Fricassee. Heat up a pan, medium fire, avocado oil, heat that up, pepper, salt, flip them over. Same thing on the other side. Oil's getting hot. Get some color on our thighs first. Get our thighs in there. Give them a good sear. Once they get some color, let's flip them over. Flip them over and then we'll get some color on the skin side. So good. Oh, it's not working too good. Better to use a non-stick pan so the thighs won't stick to the pan. They kind of stuck to the pan, so this one, don't throw that away. I can use that later for the onions and stuff, so that's fine. It'll work. We'll make it work. Get some color on this chicken here. Oh no, I lost some of the skin. Oh well. A few more minutes and then we'll flip it over. Perfect. Looking good. Smash that subscribe button. So once you get some nice color in the chicken, I'm just gonna put it aside. Do the same thing with the drumsticks. Getting some color. A little bit golden brown, perfect. Take them off. 2 medium onions in, saute it up, pepper, salt, mushrooms in. Onions and mushrooms are getting happy. Garlic and 1,000 cloves. 3 tablespoons of flour. Cook the flour for a few minutes. Deglaze with half a cup of white wine. Add a little bit of chicken stock. Cook the alcohol for 3 or 4 minutes. Add the rest of the chicken stock. Going to need a bigger pot. Dump everything in here. A cup of water. Put the chicken back in. Toss the thyme in there. Add 1 bay leaf. Once it comes to a simmer, then we just let it turn the heat down a little bit, and then we just slowly let it simmer for 10 minutes. Simmer for another 20 minutes, uncovered. Now we add some heavy cream. Take the chicken out. Chicken's cooked. Beaumont likes his sauce a little thicker. Dump this cornstarch slurry in. Mix this all up. Then it'll start to become thick. Cook cornstarch. I want it thicker, more cornstarch. Put the chicken back in. Yes, I could have seared it more, all good. Fricassee. Yummy. Show you how to serve it. 2 thighs and a drumstick. Beautiful thigh in there. Let's give our chicken fricassee. Try. Sauce and mushroom goodness. Okay, give it a try. Maybe a little more pepper, salt. You should add that as you go. Afterwards is okay because it was pretty good. The chicken fricassee turned out pretty good. Chicken fricassee. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love you, and do make some chicken fricassee. This is my dinner. Bye.